In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a view in Clickup. Understanding how to manage your views in Clickup can help streamline your workflow and keep your workspace organized. We'll dive into this straightforward process step by step, ensuring that you can confidently perform this task when needed. First, let's head over to the specific area within Clickup where your view is located. This could be a list, a folder, or even a space. Each of these serves as a sort of container for your various views, and being on the right page is crucial to finding the view you wish to delete. Once you're in the right location, look toward the top section of your page where you'll find the Views bar. This is where all your current views are displayed, making it easy to access and choose the one you want to modify. Next, go ahead and right-click directly on the name of the view that you want to remove. Doing so will open up a context menu, presenting you with several options. From this menu, you'll want to select the Delete option. This is the point where Clickup might throw a confirmation prompt your way. Don't worry, this is just a safety check to confirm that you're absolutely sure about deleting this view. If you're confident you want to proceed, simply click Delete again to finalize the removal. Now, it's important to keep a few things in mind during this process. Some views, like the list view in each list, folder, or space, might be required, meaning they cannot be deleted. So, if you find yourself unable to delete a particular view, this might be the reason. Additionally, if you ever mistakenly delete a view or have a change of heart, Clickup does offer an undo feature. This can be a lifesaver if something goes awry, giving you the opportunity to reverse the action and restore the view. Another important aspect to be aware of is if you're dealing with a view template rather than a regular view. Deleting a view template involves a slightly different process. Instead of using the Views bar, you need to visit the Template Center. Once there, locate the template within the template preview, and you can proceed to delete it in a similar fashion. And there you have it, a concise guide on deleting views in Clickup. Remember, managing your views efficiently not only keeps your workspace tidy, but also enhances your overall productivity. Thank you for watching, and I hope this has been helpful in streamlining your Clickup experience. If you have any further questions or need assistance with another feature, feel free to reach out. Happy organizing!